Hi, I'm Dan Watson, a field service technician with TPC Packaging Solutions. In this video series, we'll be going over some of the basic troubleshooting, maintenance, and daily operational tasks that are required to keep your machines running the way they should. Thanks for watching. Sooner or later, you are going to have to put a new tape roll on your Dekka tape head. In order to do this, you will first have to loosen the bolts on either side of the tape head, which secure it into the case sealer. Once done, you will notice the tape head rests inside slots on the frame. We can push the tape head forward to free it. Now we can lift the tape head straight up and take it to our work surface. Here you can see the Dekka tape head laid out and ready to be serviced. We'll start by removing the remaining tape from the rollers. This can be thrown away. We will also remove the old tape core. Now we are ready for our replacement tape roll. We want to make sure that the sticky side of the tape is facing the front of the tape head. Go ahead and press the new roll onto the mandrel, taking care to press it all the way down to ensure proper alignment. In order to help direct the operator in threading new rolls during changeovers, Dekka has provided visual pathing on all their tape heads. Best practice is to pull out a length of tape, which can be looped around the idler roller, behind the one-way roller, and threaded between the alignment roller assembly. We can then pull out another length of tape, which will show us that the tape is threaded correctly. A note on safety. There is a cutting blade behind this guard. If we pull this lever, that blade is open to the air. Pulling on the front roller to cut the tape can get you hurt. To avoid this, let's pull the back roller up. We can then pull the tape along the cutting blade. Now we can insert the tape head back into the frame, making sure to seat it back into its slot and tighten both side bolts to secure it in place. Now you know how to rethread a Dekka tape head, and your production line can resume its normal operation.